Advanced Energy and Sager Electronics are collaborating on an initiative that will provide customers with power solutions tailored to their exact application specifications, without the cost and delay of a custom-designed power solution. The 3x5 program leverages Sager's industry-leading inventory of Advanced Energy's modular power supplies to provide customers with up to 3 fully configured modular power supplies in 5 business days or less. The Artisan and Excelsis portfolio of power supplies provide customers with options from 350 watts to 24,000 watts. The ability to provide a fully configured power supply, optimized to the application requirements in 5 days, is one of the key benefits of the 3x5 program. But utilizing Advanced Energy's modular power supplies provides additional advantages by leveraging Advanced Energy's years of power supply expertise. The program is based on the flexibility and scalability the modular power supplies provide, enabling easy customization and configurations with multiple isolated outputs to meet various application requirements. This also allows customers to easily adapt as those requirements evolve, which is much faster than updating a custom design. These power supplies offer efficiency up to 93% to minimize operational costs. Available features include conformal coating and ruggedization to support reliable operation in harsh environments, minimizing maintenance and downtime. The compact form factor optimizes space utilization, while options with intelligent digital monitoring and control features enhance system integration and management. The breadth of power supplies available in the 3x5 program includes products with safety certifications in both medical and industrial applications, making them suitable for use in healthcare and medical equipment, data centers and IT infrastructure, communications and networking, industrial automation systems, testing and laboratory instruments, renewable energy systems, and more. Learn more about Advanced Energy's and Sager's 3x5 program at Sager.com.